Today we're featuring a 2016 Toyota Avalon. It's got 32,000 miles on it, so it's still got some factory warranty left, about 4,000 miles of factory warranty left. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It's quicksilver metallic in color. We'll go ahead and give you the walk around here. Notice we got the turn signals in the mirrors there. Nice alloy wheels. It's got the rear backup camera, dual exhaust. Everything down the passenger side looks really good. Really sharp looking vehicle. Just a small little scuff right here on the body line. Alright, but everything else is in fantastic shape. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Black on black door panels. Got the nice stitching. Alright, power locks, power windows. It does have black leather seats. It's got a power driver's seat. Leather seats are in awesome shape. It does come with heated seats. Alright, let me go ahead and get your keyless entry key fob up here. Alright, passenger seat is in great shape as well. Alright, you saw the heated seats here. It is an automatic. It's got your power supply, auxiliary, and USB ports down there. Push button start. Dual climate controls. Alright, it's got your entertainment system or screen there, touch screen, and I'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, steering wheel audio controls. Alright, we're going to take a look at the mileage. Oh, never mind, went off there. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, let's go ahead and sit down. Go ahead and get it started. Alright, let's go ahead and give you a shot of your mileage now. Got 32,576 miles. Alright, now that we've got this started up, let's go ahead and shut the door. Turn that down just a little bit. Let's get back to your home screen. Alright, here's going to be your home screen. It'll take it just a second to load. Alright, but it is a touch screen. Alright, it does have a button for all your apps too. Go ahead and show you that. Alright, go ahead and engage the backup camera. Alright, everything working good there. Just started the car just a second ago. The AC is already blowing cold, so we got no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Leather seats back here look good. Alright, no problems at all. It's got the nice middle console too. It comes down. Your cup holders there. Give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Everything looks good. Take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here is in good shape. Plenty of storage back here. Take one more look up here at your front passenger seat. It is a power passenger seat. Everything looks really nice. Let's go ahead and shut the trunk. Alright, once again, it's a 2016 Toyota Avalon, 32,000 miles on it, so it's still got some factory warranty left. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, it's in great shape inside and out. Come down, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.